ragazzi, welcome to my channel. I'm Benedetta and today I'm gonna show you how to make risotto alla Parmigiana. It's a super easy risotto. It can be enjoyed by itself, simply, and it's perfect for kids. Or you can use this kind of risotto as a base for adding more special ingredients like truffles, asparagus, or maybe artichokes, mushrooms, also according to the season. So I would say let's get started.
First of all, let's prepare the stock. For risotto alla Parmigiana I prefer a vegetable one, but of course you can use also a chicken stock. Bring it to boil and meanwhile chop finely an onion. Take the pan or the pot that you are gonna use for risotto. Pour a little bit of olive oil and butter together. I personally like this combination. Remind just yourself that the risotto is going to grow during the cooking time, so take a pot or a pan big enough to contain it. Place the chopped onion in the pan and cook it until it's translucent. I'm using Carnaroli rice, but also arborio rice is pretty nice for risotto. Usually I don't weigh rice, but I simply use a glass. In this case is more or less 200 grams, the quantity, quite abundant quantity for 2 people. Add the rice to the pan and toast it for a couple of minutes, I would say 3 or 4. Just remind not to let it burn, so keep stirring with a wooden spoon. Add half glass of white wine and let it evaporate. Meanwhile, your vegetable stock must be ready, so low down the heat and start to add a little bit of vegetable stock to your risotto and keep stirring with a wooden spoon. It's going to be a repetitive process of adding a little bit of vegetable stock, let it evaporate, stirring and add a little bit more until the risotto is cooked. When you think that everything is under control and risotto is cooking, you can meanwhile grate some fresh Parmigiano Reggiano. Again, this is a super simple recipe, as many Italian recipes. They're simple, so what I suggest is to use high-quality ingredients. I can't tell you exactly how much time a risotto needs to be ready. It all depends on the kind of rice you're gonna use, so the perfect and secret, not so secret, trick is just to keep stirring, and when you're about to reach the 13th, 14th minute, start to taste it. In this case, I'm pretty satisfied with the cooking point of my risotto. And then I remove the pan from the heat. It's time to mantecare. There's no really literally translation for this verb. It means simply to add butter and Parmigiano Reggiano. It's time to serve it. Remember that risotto must be creamy, but not too firm. In case that is going to happen, don't worry, you can use a little bit of vegetable stock to make it again creamy. Risotto alla Parmigiana is such an easy recipe. It's probably just 4 steps recipe. As for many other Italian, the secret is just simplicity. Most of times there are not many ingredients. Most of times it's just a matter of fresh ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you're gonna try it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or questions, just leave it underneath this video. Finally, if there's going to be some leftovers, don't throw it away. You can use it for other recipes. And I'm gonna show you how to reuse leftover risotto. One last thing, buon appetito!